Welcome back to Joe and Di's allotment channel. We're in December now. As you can see, I've got lots of layers on. It's quite a cold day today, I suppose. That wind's quite chilly. So yeah, what we'll do this time of year is basically I'm clearing bits of the plot. I've got to the spring to do it really. There's still some stuff in the plot to harvest, which I'll show you a bit later. As you can see, the greenhouse is looking okay. Still got the onions are growing well. And since I filmed last time, a lot of the garlic's come up that I planted earlier a few months ago. So I've got some spinach, some endive, so see, we even got some hot chilli still in here, and some rocket. So yeah, these will be harvested later. But what I'll do is I'll do clearing some paths as well today. I'm going to clear a bed, clear some paths. The idea is to put some of the compost straight onto the bed and let sort of nature take its course, rot stuff down over the winter. The worms can drag it into the soil, sort of provide nutrients for next year. So what I'll do is I think I'm going to clear one bed today and some of the paths, and we're going to get some bark and put it on the paths again because it's all sort of gone away. So we're going to clear this bed today. We're going to take out the rest of the perpetual spinach. We can make some nice spinach saag with that, or use it in our recipes for the next week or so. Clear this bed and clear some of these paths. And what we're going to do is rebark them. So I'll get on and clear the path and the beds first. So digging out the perpetual spinach completely, and you can see that it's quite substantial, the actual roots and the stem. So what I'll do is I'll saw that off, and most of it's good to eat still. So I'll take it all home. Quite thick. Yeah, I'll take that home, nice bunch of perpetual spinach. So it might be a cold December's day, but if you do a little bit of physical work, you soon warm up. I'm actually sweating. Yeah, so we're getting some bark to rebark the paths. Yeah, we're quite lucky that we get this free resource. Tree surgeons just dump it here and it gradually goes into the plot bag by bag. It takes a while, but it soon replenishes again. So yeah, we're quite lucky in that, fortunate in that way. Yeah, you just fill some bags up, and we'll take them in and we'll redo the paths. One bag empty. What I'll do is I'll still spread it over the plot, and hopefully it'll rot down over winter, and anything that's left not rotted down I'll just put back on the compost again later. So I spread 2 wheelbarrow loads of compost on the plot, and that will rot down over winter. Anything that's left on the surface, or it doesn't rot down, I'll just put straight back into the compost again to start again next year. So we're using this plot as a sort of living compost bin really. So we'll just pile it all up. It is gradually going down, and hopefully by the end of the winter I'll just take everything that's left on there off and start a new compost bin with it. We've got a few parsnips growing over there, so we can maybe take a few of those out on Christmas Day, for Christmas Day. So we've still got some rocket growing here, a row of carrots and some late beetroot. We've got some beetroot that we're using at the moment on another bed. We've got winter onions here, which are looking okay. It needs weeding again, but we'll get around to that. This bed needs clearing and the paths need sorting out and rebarking. So we've got some rocket growing on here and some endive though, so I'll let those grow and we'll crop those before I clear the bed. The next bed's got quite a lot of parsley, mustard, winter radish, rocket and spinach is growing, so there's still quite a lot on here to sort of munch our way through. Still got quite a few red cabbages here. I actually took a couple home earlier in the week, and we had some cauliflower as well which we took home as well. I'm going to make a cauliflower curry with that tonight, so that'll be nice. So that was the last of the cauliflower. But yeah, we've still got a few cabbages here, which we'll take home gradually. I thought I got all the cauliflowers, but there's still a couple in here. It's not too bad. There's a nice green cabbage forming there, and we've got lots of cow at the other end of the bed. We're gradually working our way through the cows. So I'll keep these covered. So that's not our last cauliflower curry, we can have another one. We've got a row of parsnips here, we're working our way through. Some celery there, and some winter radishes on the other side there. You can see they're starting to poke out the ground. They're ready for eating. And some lovely large leaf mustard here as well. Yeah, the large leaf mustard makes a great addition to salads, gives it a nice sort of mustardy taste, I suppose. We've still got some beetroots here. We took some home the other day and cooked them up. So we'll work our way through this little row here, and then we've got another row over there that was later. So it should keep us going for a bit longer. Still got some perpetual spinach here, but we've got a bag full from the bed we just cleared, so I won't need that for a while. Some more rocket there, and some more winter radish in there as well. Looks like we've had a nice attack of pests on this bed, but the spring cabbage is looking okay. It's coming through quite nicely and plumping up. So this is the bed of carrots we're working our way through at the moment. Took some home earlier in the week, quite good. The other bed is just a mixture of parsleys and spinaches and some carrots over there as well, which we'll use later. Got some more cow here as well. The artichokes are really looking nice now. They look good on the plot. The leaves are nice. Need to clear this bed as well. This is where the rhubarb is as well, so where the sticks are the rhubarbs. So I just need to clear the weeds out and the grass. So clearing the bed on plot 59, we've got a whole bag of perpetual spinach. So that was plot 59, we're now on plot 52. We've still got Jerusalem artichokes, which we're harvesting as we need them. What else have we got? On this plot, the other thing we've got is leeks and cows still. I'll show you those. We've got quite a few leeks to work through. We're gradually going through them gradually as we go. Love leek and potato soup, so we use some of our stored potatoes, some fresh leek, and we've got a lovely soup on the weekend quite often. We've still got a whole row of cow there as well, which we're working our way through gradually. So that's all we've got growing on this plot at the moment. As you can see, it needs weeding. So I've taken the peppers out of the greenhouse now. So it normally stays about 3 to 4 degrees warmer in here. So as you can see, we've still got some peppers on here. And we've still got some little bell peppers on here as well. So I don't know how long they'll survive in here. But we'll leave them in here a bit longer and see how we go, I think. So we're back in the garden at home now. You can see we've still got quite a lot of perpetual spinach here still as well, which is good. Quite handy for the kitchen here, so you can pick it up, take it straight in and cook it. The last month we sort of showed you that we make this little cage and collect all the leaves, mainly from the sycamore but also from the apples. You can see that was full up to the top, and it's gradually working its way down. And so by the end of the winter it should have rotted down quite well. What's left we'll bag up and we can use it as mulch or compost activator, and it feeds the soil at the same time, so which is quite good. So this is the greenhouse at home. I've now brought in all the geraniums from the garden because, as I said earlier, the temperatures are expected to drop quite severely next week or so. But we've still got lots of flat leaf and curly parsley in here. Rocket. Still got some hot peppers in here, which is still changing to red, believe it or not. Mizuna. Still got some lettuces and some garlic and onions in there as well. And I planted some more garlic in these pots as well actually yesterday, so they should come through. So that's a tour of plot 52 and plot 59 for December. I think I put on, at the end, I put on a list of all the things that we've still got available to eat on the plot at the moment, and the stuff that we've got stored, so it gives you a rough idea of how well we've done this year, really, because we always sort of gauge it by what have we still got to eat this time of year when we're getting towards what's called the hungry gap, when there's not much to grow. Not much will grow now, but we've still got stuff available, and our aim is always to have something to eat every day of the year which we've grown ourselves. So hope you've enjoyed the video. Please give us a thumbs up, leave any comments in the box below, and if you're new to our channel, please consider subscribing. What we try to do is tips on how to grow stuff, and also recipes of how we use the crops that we grow. Hopefully we'll do some more recipes in the coming weeks. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening, everybody.